everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. Today, I'm coming at you guys with a day in the life vlog. I'm so excited to be vlogging today, taking you guys along. It's going to be a really fun day. I don't know if you guys can tell from the background, but we are at P.F. Chang's. I'm really excited. We came to the Columbus area today, just like get away. It's about an hour or so away. Columbus is our state capital, so they have a bunch of fun stuff that we don't have back home. So we came to Columbus today, and it's going to be a lot of fun. I am back to vlogging on Ohio Valley Couponer because, truth be told, I have two channels. Ohio Valley Couponer, which is this one, and then there's a Nick Kind of Life, and I've been really trying to figure out what I'm doing with my life, pretty much. I've been in an identity crisis with work. I've been really trying to figure out how to do both channels. I want both channels to be successful, and so I've been trying some different stuff lately and trying to change things over here with my couponing content, trying to change things like I thought about vlogging on the second channel. But a couple of different factors have made me come back to this channel for vlogging. And the main one kind of is, you guys are just not interested in following two of my channels. Like, I'll get 90% more views on a vlog here than there. And I don't know, it's just kind of confusing. That's one reason. And then the other reason is the vlogs typically somehow tie back into a couponing tip or a couponing day or a grocery haul or something. And it's just stuff that the couponers are going to be interested in. So I was like, okay, let's just go ahead and move the vlogs over here. I don't know how often I'll vlog or anything like that. You know, if I have vlogs here and there, I'm just going to put them on this channel and just kind of like chill and vlog when I feel like it. And if you guys want to see it, hopefully you'll tune in. And then the second channel is actually going to, it's like such a broken record, but it's going to go back to Ohio Valley Exploring. I think that the exploring content is actually really good over there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And actually, I'm going to be filming a dead mall video again today. I'm really excited. I haven't done a dead mall video in so long. So be on the lookout for that on the second channel if you're into that kind of stuff. So it's going to be awesome, but I'm vlogging today and it's going to take you guys along. So let's head into P.F. Chang's. And that was delicious. It was absolutely amazing. I love that place so much. Best sesame chicken in the world. So yes, but and I'm full. Like, I got the lunch portion and I'm still super full. But anyways, now we are going to go to the mall that's across the street. I am going to do, like I said, a video about it because it honestly is kind of turned into a dying mall. But they do still have a few things, so it'll be fun to look around. Yes, but we're gonna go over there, and then later we are gonna go to Trader Joe's because they have a Trader Joe's nearby, and Trader Joe's is amazing. So we're gonna get some good food there. So I'll do a little shop with me / grocery haul, but we'll see what we get into in the mall, and I'll take you guys along.
Jewelry store, there's where I got your mom's engagement ring.
Wow.
26 years ago.
Is that it?
This is it, yeah.
Oh,
The engagement ring.
look at that. Dad actually used to work in the Dublin area for several years, actually. So I guess one day he came over here after work and bought her the ring, and the place is still here. So that's on your lunch break. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Look at this. This is too cool. It's a little Toys R Us inside of the Macy's, which is just like, this is so cool. I haven't been in a Toys R Us since I was like a little kid. So it's like really neat to see that even though like there's not the big Toys R Us anymore, like they have this little one in Macy's. That's really neat. You guys know I had to grab a selfie with Jeffrey the giraffe, right? You guys do have a Macy's. They actually do have a bunch of toys marked down on clearance. And then they're buy one, get one free on the clearance price, which is actually a really nice deal. So definitely check that out, especially, hey, Christmas is around the corner and that can make for some really good deals. Oh my gosh, guys. We're walking in a winter wonderland in the Macy's. Be real, unless it's on like a drastic clearance, really can't afford Macy's. Like, the store is expensive. Sorry, Macy's. Of course, they do have this Macy's backstage thing, which I'd like to check out. It's like, I guess it's kind of like a TJ Maxx kind of deal or something. So I'm gonna check that out for sure. Hopefully we find something good there. so in Macy's backstage, which it just really reminds me of a Ross or a TJ Maxx kind of deal. Yeah, pretty interesting. Truth be told, I'm really not feeling Macy's backstage either. I mean, I still feel like it's kind of expensive, but I mean, I guess if you're into like super name brand stuff or whatever, you know, not too bad. You wouldn't believe it, but my dad's the one who is encouraging buying the fall scented candles at Bath and Body Works. But I gotta say, if you've never had the pumpkin cupcake, it does smell really good. And then this Bath and Body Works, the lady who works here told us that they have the Christmas ones out. Like, this is the only one in Columbus that has them, which is interesting. But they have like a ton of different flavors. Flavors? Is that what you... Nope, this isn't food. Scents of the Christmas candles. My mom said, oh, we're not going to buy anything. Like, we're just going to look around and window shop. And then here they are buying 2 candles. But they do smell good, though. I mean, they do. Does anybody else ever get like anxiety on escalators that you're going to miss the step and fall off? That would not be fun. Okay, so I filmed my mall tour for my second channel, but I'm gonna do a thing. I've never done this before. Like, I've actually never had one of these because my town doesn't have one. I'm going to try a Cinnabon. I'm really excited because I've just heard like Cinnabons are really good, and I'm excited to go ahead and give it a try. So I'm gonna have a Cinnabon. A bunch of different sizes. I think I'm gonna go with the mini one because to me, like, that, does that seem mini to you guys? Because it really doesn't seem mini to me. That's the classic, that's huge. So I think I'm gonna get the mini, but it looks awesome. Guys, we are all done at the mall. Kind of cut that short because there was no AC in the mall, really. Like several spots was no AC, and so some stores had portable air conditioners, but other stores had nothing. So yeah, I feel bad for the people who have to work there in the heat like it is. But I almost got out of there with nothing, but I found something at JCPenney while we were leaving. And you guys know, if you've been following me for a while, stationery related, I found this really nice planner pad. This was only $2.99, and it has like spots for the weekdays and then some little spots for the weekends. This is actually going to be really nice to help be organized because, believe it or not, guys, I've been off my game with organization. It's been rough, so that's good. And then I am going to try a Cinnabon. I'm really excited to try this. This looks amazing. Let me go ahead and open it up. Voila. Is that not beautiful? Thank you to one of my awesome subscribers, Tara. She sent me a birthday card a little while ago, and she sent me $10, which was really nice. So that helped today for sure. Everybody should at least have one of these in their lifetime. My dad wanted to take us by the place where he used to work, and it appears that it's not even in business. Sorry, my phone's like giving us directions to Trader Joe's. But yeah, I guess it's not even a thing anymore.
About right here after Nick was born, and took a nap on my break.
I drove them to the point of exhaustion.
Proceed to the route.
Okay, lady, we're proceeding to the route. All right, Trader Joe's time. Trader Joe's kind of reminds me of Aldi, but a fun fact is it actually was owned, well, it wasn't, okay, so Aldi and Trader Joe's aren't owned by the same people, but apparently like brothers or cousins or something in the same family. One opened Aldi and one opened Trader Joe's. So that's why they're so similar. So yeah, but let's go to Trader Joe's. They're giving out free samples of ice cream. It's the Trader Joe's like fudgy cookie dough. Hands down the best cookie dough ice cream I've ever had in my life. This is amazing. We're gonna get some sourdough bread. Trader Joe's has this for $3.49. Guys, these are the best chips that were ever created. The Trader Joe's olive oil potato chips. They are amazing. Only 3 ingredients. So good. I am totally gonna get, my mom might think I'm crazy, but I'm totally gonna get 6 bags. She was like, I originally said I was gonna get 10, and she was like, no, that's too many chips. But I don't get the Trader Joe's much, and they're so good, so I'm getting them. This is a horrible price, but I really do like these Bear Bell protein bars when I'm actually eating healthy, which I need to get back to. These are lower like sugar and stuff, so these are really good. So I'm gonna pick up a couple of these to have. And pro tip, put these bars in the fridge. They taste so much better cold. So I'm gonna get 2 cookies and cream, 2 of the chocolate dough, like chocolate chip cookie dough. This is the thing that mom likes at Trader Joe's. Like this is her potato chips. How many are you getting?
I get
4. We don't get, like, guys, you probably think we're crazy, but we really don't get to Trader Joe's much at all because the closest one's at least an hour away. So it's a treat, and we know our favorites, so we stock up. Guys, I absolutely adore these things. The Trader Joe's, the reduced guilt mac and cheese. These are delicious. $2.29. I'm gonna stock up and buy 10. It's so loud in here, but we did get some potatoes because we're making potato salad. And we also grabbed this big Mirapokes blend. I really like this. We use this in soups and stuff, and so that's really nice. That's a huge container of them too, so perfect. Guys, it's actually a few hours later. I had to come to Kroger to do some work stuff, and we also needed some like more groceries just for like our meals this week. Trader Joe's was honestly more of like a fun trip, getting like snacks and just fun things that we can't really find anywhere else. But we needed some groceries too, so I ended up coming up to Kroger to get that stuff. So first thing I got here is corn on the cob. This is an awesome deal this week. It's $1.99 for 4 ears of corn already shucked, which is amazing. So, because I don't like shucking corn. And then I also got, let me show you my cart. Got some strawberries for $2.99. Interesting, the organic ones are actually on sale this week for less than the regular ones. So that was really nice. Blueberries, $3.49, and then also a thing of green onions for 99 cents. Trader Joe's was like $1.59 or something, which was just insane. So Kroger hooked us up for 99 cents. If you guys are looking for like meal plan ideas, I figured I'd just go ahead and share what we're making this week. So tomorrow is Labor Day. Actually, you're seeing this on Labor Day, like the actual day. So happy Labor Day. But we're gonna be making hamburgers and baked beans. My grandma's making her potato salad and corn on the cob. And then I'm also gonna make like a dessert with those strawberries and blueberries. And then Tuesday, we're gonna have chicken tortilla soup, which actually I think we have everything for that, so that's perfect. And then Wednesday, we're gonna be making beans and cornbread, have everything for that as well. And then Thursday, going to be making summertime pasta salad, which is gonna be yum. And it actually uses a lot of the ingredients that either we already have at home or that we're already buying anyways. So like the green onions, the strawberries and blueberries, I don't need all of those for just one meal. So I actually can use those ingredients to make something else, the summertime pasta salad, so that works out good. And Friday, we're gonna be making chicken Philly steak sandwiches with French fries. So that's going to be really, really good. So for the chicken Philly sandwiches, I need some hoagie rolls. So Kroger actually sells these for only $2.49, which is a pretty decent price compared to some of the other ones. So I'm gonna pick those up. Guys, I'm really gonna need prices to stop going up because it's getting insane. But my dad takes sandwiches to work, so he requested roast beef, which they have that on sale for $3.50. I guess that's better than nothing. And then why is the turkey so much more than everything else? Ugh, that's what he wants though. So we'll get this one for $4.50. All right, good to go. Kroger's having a really good sale this week on cheese. So that's $1.49 with the digital coupon. So I actually got 3 things of shredded cheese, the Mexican style. And then I also got 2 things of provolone because my dad uses this on his sandwiches and we'll use provolone in the Philly steaks. So I'm gonna pick these up. All right, so I'm going to buy some eggs. They are $3.49 for a dozen of the large brown eggs. So that's what we're gonna get. Okay, so gonna grab some baked beans, and I know the Kroger ones are cheaper, but I am a Bush's only kind of guy. I've tried off-brand baked beans and I just find Bush's to be the best. That's what we're gonna get. So for my grandma's potato salad, she does like Miracle Whip. What on earth? Why is Miracle Whip a small fortune? Kroger has their brand there for $4.19, so I'll just go ahead and get that this time. Guys, this used to be $6.99 not that long ago. What on earth? $8.49 now for this beef. Ugh. So my grandma drinks an absolute ton of apple juice, so I'm gonna go ahead and stock up on this. It's on sale for $1.49 for the Kroger brand ones, down from $2.69. That's a deal. So I'm totally gonna go ahead and pick up 5 of these. Anybody know a store that sells bulk raspberries? Like a big bag like this, but of just frozen raspberries, because my dad only wants the raspberries right now. He used to get the triple berry blend, but now he's just like, well, I just want raspberries. So I can only get them in these little bags, and it's not the cheapest way to do it. So if anybody knows of a store that sells like a big old bag just of red raspberries, let me know in the comments. And I love how I said in the beginning we really didn't need that much, and then I realized all the stuff we need once we get in here. But for our Philly steaks, I have to have these fries to go with them. The Alexia seasoned waffle cut fries, best French fries ever. Like better than a restaurant, better than anywhere else. Just put them in the air fryer and they turn out so good. $5.79, that pains my soul, but they are worth it. They really are. So picking those up. So this isn't grocery technically, but I'm gonna pick these up. It's the Post-it page markers. I think these are the perfect size to fit in the boxes on the planner thing we got at JCPenney, because you remember they had like 5 boxes per day from Monday through Friday. I think these will fit. So I think like the pinkish one could be YouTube stuff. I tend to always go with red for that, so pink's the next close thing, and maybe like green for the meal plan and blue for appointments or to-dos or whatever. I think would really come in handy. I like the idea of Post-it notes, because if things switch around, like let's say one of the meals we originally planned we don't do on Tuesday, we do it on Thursday instead, you know, you just easily switch the Post-it note around on your planner. So I'm gonna grab these. I love how I originally was like, oh, I'm not getting much, and then I proceed to get all this stuff. Last but not least, gonna grab some syrup. This is actually on sale for $2 right now, so pretty good deal. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this. So that is gonna be a wrap on Kroger. If anybody else's Kroger has these, but our store got these really cool checkouts. Like you can scan your stuff and then like it takes it down to this area and you bag it when you're done. Love it. Best thing my Kroger ever did. I love it so much. Done at Kroger. Sorry, I had to turn the AC on because it's still, it's 82 degrees and it's after 8 p.m. It's been hot today. That's why the no AC in the mall definitely was a struggle for sure. But Kroger, really good. I feel like Kroger was a great trip. All that stuff for, how much was it again? Let me double check my receipt. $67.47. But we got a lot of stuff for that money. Pretty good overall about our groceries this week. So guys, I had a lot of fun vlogging today. I really hope you did enjoy this. I don't know, it just feels like I'm back home when I'm vlogging on Ohio Valley Couponer because my vlogs somehow tie into money saving in one way or another. So I'm excited to be back. And like I said, since a lot of you guys either, I don't know if people didn't realize I was on another channel doing it, or if you're just like, I refuse to subscribe to 2 channels. I don't know y'all's reasoning for it, but you know, whatever is working, that's what we're gonna do. And you guys just seem to like vlogs better on this channel. So anyways, that is gonna be a wrap on today's vlog. I hope to be back with more soon. I'm not sure when the next one will be, but hey, it'll be Vlogtober before you know it. That'll be fun. Guys, that's all I got, and thank you for watching.